Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can fix calendars that cannot receive invitations on the iPhone 14 series. So the first thing that you can do is first swipe up to go back to the home screen, and on the home screen tap on settings. In settings you want to go down and tap on your account profile at the top, then tap on iCloud. Next, tap on the Show All button in the apps using iCloud section. In here, we go down and tap on calendars. Make sure calendar is switch on. So if it is switch off, you want to make sure it is turned on, because when you switch it off, your calendar events cannot be synced properly through your iPhone. So it needs to be turned on. After that, if it still does not work, what you can also do is go back to your Apple ID, iCloud, go down to the bottom. Go back here, and in Apple ID, make sure you sign out. Now, because at the moment it says sign out is not available due to restrictions, the reason being is because I have screen time turn on. So I have screen time turn on. That is why I cannot sign out. But what you want to do is basically go in here and sign out of your Apple ID and sign back in. Sometimes that will clear off some of the cache on your device, and that will fix the problem with your calendar not being synced, because maybe your calendar is still being signed in with a different Apple ID. So you want to sign out and sign back in with your Apple ID. Okay, another thing that you can do is go to your iCloud account. So here on my computer, I go to iCloud.com, and in here, sign into your iCloud with the same account on your device, and then go down and tap on calendar. In calendar, what you want to do is go down and click on the settings button at the bottom corner here. Click on settings, and then click on preferences. Next, click on advanced, and then in advanced, go down to the invitations section and click on in-app notifications, and click on saved. And then we're going to go back to the calendar on the iPhone. So here, back on the iPhone, close your calendar and reopen it, and then you can try to get someone to send you another invitations, and this time you can check to see if your calendar now receive invitations. And that's it. Give that a try. If that still does not work, then you might need to call Apple for support to see why your calendar account does not sync through. Sometimes maybe it is blocked from the server side, so you might need to get the Apple support to help you out with that. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.